Actually, I just want to make a mention to the media and also to the members and dignitaries on the dais, is that Goa has always played a role where we have been ahead of other states in the country in carrying out this immunization program. I think when Dr. Rajendra Desai was the Director of Health Services and I happened to take over as Health Minister in, I think 10 years back, actually our full thrust was on the immunization program and how to see that the people don't only depend on the immunization of what the, initially how it used to be that the government used to give them a specific polio, DPT and measles, and apart from that everything else they had to go to the private sector to take injections, and it used to be very difficult for many people to take these type of injections. Many of the parents, some of them could afford, some of them could not afford, and they used to skip these type of doses. Hence, Goa was one of the states in those days which then became a part of the NHM and then came down to the NHM to the other state government. Hepatitis B, we started pentavalent when nobody was talking of pentavalent. Goa was the first state to take up pentavalent and see that we give it to our children. Rubella vaccine, MMR, and today rotavirus. And also in addition, I think we are going to play the lead role. And these type of injections are required because in order to strengthen the immunity of the kids and to see that they are well protected, we have to look differently. All the health officers present here, as I was just talking to Dr. Desai that we'll have a working lunch with all the health officers in order to get the inputs and hear them out. You see, I think this must be one of the only states where we interact closely with our officers, doctors, to give them a voice to understand what is happening world over, what is happening in our state, what are the functional issues that we need to resolve. We need to give the doctors a voice. There are like a lot of good doctors we have within our department, and also like I was just saying, I was just checking because now my doctor told my daughter that she should take pneumococcal, but pneumococcal is not a part of the immunization program, so we will make it. I'm told that the file is pending in the Department of Finance. Pneumococcal will be. Cervarix is also another thing to give adolescent girls for cervical cancer. So these two, this year I think we will start.